there was an extra 46 list. Again, I would like to inform you, this list, it's still not a final list. It's just a select list. It's just a preparation for the verification of the documents.
The Tourism Department today held the first ever Adventure Tourism Conclave at the State Convention Centre. Odisha Deputy Chief Minister Pravati Parida and Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh attended the gathering. The event also witnessed participants from various states of the northeastern region. While speaking to reporters after the inaugural session, Odisha Deputy Chief Minister talked about sending a women's self-help group from Odisha to learn about the matrilineal society where women have special status in the society. Meanwhile, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that this conclave is a platform to provide visibility to Meghalaya tourism.
Along with that, we have had the pleasure of the Deputy Chief Minister of Odisha visiting us and joining the conclave as the chief guest. Apart from that, we have representatives from various states of the Northeast, and also UP. Their tourism minister addressed the gathering virtually, and we have the Indian Express Group, which has a wide presence in the country as the media partner of the event, and this provides visibility to Meghalaya tourism.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Rerapara substation in southwest Garo Hills on Thursday. The substation, built under the Asian Development Bank project, aims to improve the power supply in the region by reducing outages and improving voltage levels. The facility, constructed by ACDC and SAIDI Built On Private Limited, is expected to benefit several villages, resolving long-standing power issues in the area. CM Sangma emphasized that the substation will boost local development and announced Rs 8 crore for road construction in the region. The Meghalaya government has temporarily suspended the Physical Efficiency Test (PET) for recruiting sub-inspectors, drivers and guardsmen due to heavy rain. Cabinet Minister Kamingwan Imbon announced that the applicants who took the PET on October 2nd and 3rd will retake the test as poor conditions of the ground had impacted their performance. The recruited process, conducted by the Home Guard and Civil Defence Directorate, aims to fill various posts including guardsman, sub-inspector and driver. Applicants will be notified about the rescheduled PET date.
It's come around on the 2nd and the 3rd, yesterday only. Then I got a lot of complaints from the candidate regarding that playground. That's why this morning I called all officers. We went for inspection around 6:30 like that this morning to the playground. When we reached there, we saw by own eyes the playground is not fit. Then we called a meeting, emergency meeting this morning only. We decided to stop this recruitment. We postponed this recruitment. Then after the rain stopped, then we'll inform to all the candidates through website, through phone call, when will be the date to start a new recruitment.
The Ribhoy Youth Federation (RBYF) central body, led by President Bipul Thangkyu, met with the Medical Superintendent of Civil Hospital Nongpor today. This meeting followed numerous complaints regarding the mistreatment of patients by hospital staff. During the discussion, the RBYF addressed various issues related to the operations of Civil Hospital Nongpor, urging the medical superintendent to take strict action against the nurse and other staff members implicated in the reported mistreatment of patients. Additionally, the RBYF urged the state government to expedite the inauguration of the MHC hospital at Umran Parila.
part na government bakan le no mardor para kaju po na kalian jungi ingin ai lu betul saya minister badan burom jungi jong ka health department bat kunju kopi in sapha pat saya CM ban le ban plino kat ban nak lo ya ketika hospital kemudian aku umran yang pernah.
A group of youths from 11th and 12th Mile Mausmai in Ribhoi were assaulted by alleged syndicate members from Assam on the night of October 2nd at Jorabat. In response, the residents of Mausmai 11th Mile held a meeting today, led by the headman Petrus Shakwa, and decided to send a petition to the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, demanding the removal of a gate set up by the syndicates within Meghalaya's border.
Bangin aino ko giding tho ka ODC nang banon ka safety lap na jung tungi but pakin ai duty ya police manera at balkini ya kini ko yung kuya kon perlu tahu.
The National Book Trust India under the Ministry of Education has announced the second edition of the Shillong Book Fair, scheduled to take place from 5th to 13th October 2024. This literary event aims to cultivate a deep love for reading among the citizens of Shillong, with a special focus on the younger generation. Principal Secretary of the Arts and Culture Department F.R. Kharkongor highlighted Shillong's inherent interest in literature, noting the city's impressive track record of producing talented writers who have gained international recognition.
So are you also?
We are expecting that there will be very high footfalls, and there's an innate interest amongst the citizens of Shillong about books. And Shillong has produced many writers also who have published at Sahitya Academy. Some of them are doing very well internationally, like Janice Pariat and so on and so forth. So I think this will also inculcate, this reading habit. We have seen the perils of the mobile technology in the recent past, and we are sure that with these efforts from the National Book Trust along with the state government, that it will help to wean them away from technology.
The District Disaster Management Authority conducted a mock drill at the Secretariat and Additional Secretariat to train people on emergency preparedness. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, R.M. Korba, emphasized the importance of such drills, citing the state's location in Zone 5. Korba stated that preparedness is crucial for handling potential challenges and ensuring timely medical treatment for the injured. The mock drill aimed to enhance preparedness, improve response time, and foster resilience among district authorities, emergency services, and stakeholders.
Such incident happens, you are aware of what is behind the scenes, because most of the time the public or even us as the officers, various officers, we are not aware of what exactly the disaster management agency or SDMF or any other agency that is involved in ensuring that life is safe and that they, the injured are taken to the hospital or for first aid or any kind of necessary action that is required.
The district Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin organized a grand celebration to mark Swachh Bharat Divas. The event, titled Swachhta Hi Seva, was held at the Bishop Hall in Nongstoin. The program was attended by Rambrai Jerngam MLA R.G. Momin. The celebration was a platform to recognize and honor the efforts of villagers and solid waste management volunteers who have contributed significantly to the cleanliness and hygiene in their respected villages and in the entire district as a whole. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature today was recorded at 16.5 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 19.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, which decreased to 93% in the evening. Rainfall recorded today was 0.3 millimeter. Forecast: light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at most places. Before we end this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Cabinet approves conferring status of classical language to Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali languages. Meghalaya all set to get first private medical college as NMC gives approval to PA Sangma International Medical College of USTM. Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board denies allegations of irregularities in recruitment results for staff nurse and ANM positions. Government temporarily suspends PET for recruiting sub-inspectors, drivers and guardsmen due to heavy rain. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Thanks for watching. Good night.